Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to back up your WordPress site on DreamHost. So the first thing would be to go to your websites and manage websites, and you will see then their manage option. Just choose the site that you want to back up. And after this, as you can see, there is DreamPress, which is actually the plugin basically on DreamHost, which allows you to backup and many other things like high speed and WordPress special support, but it costs. So if you want to pay additionally, then you can upgrade here. If not, just go to your WordPress of your website, so you can access it right there. And you want to go to plugins and add a new plugin. And here there's actually a lot of plugins which offer backups, but what I suggest is Updraft, which I have already installed. Here it is, so we can open it up. So now they also offer premium, but the free version of Updraft will back up and migrate your website perfectly well. If you want some additional stuff, you can get a premium, but basically they offer the backup for your WordPress for free. So that's what I suggest. Just install it and activate it. And also there's a manual option, but it's really hard to do and basically download all the files from your databases. But yeah, that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.